How Marie Kondo's Konmari method helps you save space when you're packing your suitcase for vacation. Vacation starts in 1 sleeps. I'm gonna miss my baby fur while I go on vacation. So you're leaving in 7 hours.
Really?
Taking a flight.
Yep.
Going away for 7 days. Jamaica. So we packed her bag. 1 bag. 7
One bag,
days.
1 purse. That's it.
7 days.
And honestly, I still have too much stuff, but I couldn't decide, so there it is.
So now, somebody doesn't want her to go. I'm sure that's what it is. Right, Beanie? You don't want Mommy to go? Mommy can't go without you?
You're hilarious.
Oh. Oh my goodness. So 1 suitcase.
It's 23 by 17 by 10 inches.
Okay, perfect. Charge cord.
Yes, I have my charge cord for my phone. Yep. And I have my zippable, which has all my clothing, which I have way too much along, but there it is. So I've got my reusable feminine hygiene products with my lovely underwears. And then I've got different dresses over here. So I have 4 different dresses. I have a skirt. I have a sweater over here. This is a pair of capris. I have some shorts.
That's another pair of capris.
And a pair of capris for exercising. I have a pair of shorts here. These are my denim ones. This is a long sleeve blousey shirt. This is my wrap for my, like when you're out to the pool, you want to have a wrap around your body. Cover up, or if you need a shawl during a cooler night and you want to look fancy at the dining place. Tank tops. All of these are tank tops, and some of them are more.
These are your dressier ones.
This one's my exercise one.
These are your dressier ones. These two this one I would have said is, and
It's
this
more
one
casual.
Pajama or exercise.
This is an exercise, and this guy goes underneath because these are more sheer, some of them.
And I didn't even tell you what was where. You can see exactly what it is.
No, you can see exactly where it is because everything is very visual.
And your mesh bags are along for dirty laundry.
Yep.
For the way home.
So you got dirty laundry for mesh bags, and they're just easy for throwing things into, keep them together and have stuff separated from each other, just to make it easy.
And this is even what you're going to wear on the plane.
Yeah.
So you have space to put your stuff while you're in your hotel room. It doesn't have to be all over. It can still be contained and neat and tidy for you to take up your space so that you and your roommate don't fight over space. If it's a smaller room, but if it's luxury room, you got space to do what you like.
Exactly. And honestly, I don't even have to unpack it because it's like really neat and it's all right there.
You had room if you wanted to add more things. This isn't going to cause any wrinkling. So it's all tight enough, but not over tight.
And I have a sketchbook because I'm going to give away a few things as kind of tips and as some stuff. A wonderful place to visit. And they find that certain things that we kind of take for granted are very, very expensive there. So it's always nice to be able to give back. So if you're able to leave certain things behind for people, then it's really nice to be able to do that for them. Especially for the people that are at your hotel, like your maids and stuff like that. Because, if one of them has children, I brought a sketchbook and I brought 2 little just notebooky things, dollar store. This is from the dollar store. Open it up. I've got
crayons and pencil crayons.
These are just some easy stuff that I can give away. I also have some extra toiletries, like the little Kleenexes stuff, because I have allergies, so I'm going to use a lot of these, but also I'll be able to give away whatever I don't use, which is really nice for the people who need it, right? Same, I'm taking along 2 moisturizers. I'll be able to give one away. I'm taking along the scope. I don't use mouthwash, so I'm just going to give it away. I'll be giving away, money tips too, but that's another little thing. And I brought a whole bunch of little nail polishes. I'll give away some of them. It's under 100 milliliters. I think they're okay.
If not, it's easy to get to for customs to look and see what you have and get rid of whatever doesn't allow. Very simple, easy.
I bought a new brush. Like, when I'm done using it, I'll just clean it off and be like, leave it in the hotel room. Somebody else can have it. I'm not entirely certain if all of this is like really stuff that they need or don't need, but
you can ask if you would you like
we'll
this
ask.
as your last day?
I'll ask, you know. My makeup stuff is all in one bag. This comes with me. Q-tips. This is all like shower stuff in here and personal hygiene stuff. Like, I've got 2 deodorants, I'll probably use one, not the other. I've got 2 bars of soap, I'll use one I'll give away. My shampoo and conditioner is here. I have a razor and I have 2 toothpastes, because toothpaste is something that they can use over there, definitely. Hello, you. I have sunscreen here. Everybody goes, you should be taking like 2 sunscreen. I don't really see the point. I really wasn't going to take sunscreen in the first place, but anyhow. A good thing to take along on a vacation is a washcloth. Always for your own personal use, that way you're not worried about their laundry practices. Flip-flops, obviously. These are my cards, that's for studying while I'm abroad, because I have midterm when I get back. So that's cool stuff. This is my bras. Just bras, threw them in here. Easy, easy. I have 2 regular bras and an exercise bra. Because if they have the gym, I would like to go to the gym. These are all my swimsuits. So I have 3 swimsuits. 2 of them are tankinis. 1 of them is a full swimsuit.
And I put the bottoms inside?
Yeah,
the
you
tankini
put
tops.
Bottoms inside the tankini tops. I just used regular shorts as my tankini bottoms. But it makes it really easy. So then I've got, you know, 1 that'll be wet, 1, you know, you can always wear these out as well, the tops or not. So 1 can be wet, 1 I can wear, and then I've got 1 just in case 2 are wet or something happens like that.
Put and made it so that they maintain shape.
Mm-hmm.
So your sports bras inside your regular bras, so that they help them maintain their shape. They're at the top of the suitcase, so that the weight isn't on them and misshaping them. I put extra bag around the small stuff, like little sandwich bags.
Yeah, so it doesn't go flying everywhere.
This is easy for customs to look at if they have any questions about anything. It's all below this level.
Yeah, they can see everything, and there it is.
So when you open it up, nothing's going to go flying anywhere.
I just have
your sunglasses are in your
my
purse.
sunglasses are in my purse, and my phone is in my purse. And that's all everything.
Your paperwork that you need.
That's everything.
Are you taking a water bottle, or are you allowed?
Yes, I'm taking a water bottle. No, you take your refillable water bottle, and you just make sure it's empty when you go through customs. And then they have filling stations before you go on the plane, so you have water on the plane, and they'll even refill it for you on the plane as well with water. And then you have it at your hotel that you can use it for refilling stuff, and then yeah, just go from there.
You had room if you wanted to add more things. This isn't going to cause any wrinkling. So it's all tight enough, but not over tight.
And you know, I'll be giving away some stuff and giving away some money as well. But also, not only that, it gives the opportunity to. So if I do purchase a few souvenirs, I still have room in there to put them.
So in case customs does open it, it's not anything embarrassing flying all over the place.
Yeah.
All your embarrassing items are in, well, I guess your bras, but they are still not going to be flying all over.
I'm sure I will get questions from customs on my reusable pads. They'll be like, "What are these?"
Well, they're in
and
there,
I'll
so
be
it just
like,
looks
"They're
like
reusable menstrual pads. That's what they are."
But
I mean,
it just looks like another
point.
clothing item here, so they may not even...
May not come to it. I don't know. They are denser, so we'll see what they say, because they're bamboo, right? And all I have to do is put a lock on it, and Jamaica, here we come. Woohoo! It's going to be awesome.
And it's noticeable different colors, so it's not going to blend in with everybody else's luggage.
And it's hard, which
Things
is
aren't
pretty
gonna be
cool,
damaged.
too. I actually got this for free. Woot! So, like, yeah, it's got, like, a little bit of, you know, it's got marks on it.
It's got 2 zippers.
Yes, because you can expand it.
Oh, wow.
It gets taller if you want it to.
Wow.
Not much, it's only like 2 inches. But if you had more clothes, you can do it. Zip it up, buttercup.
And then don't forget to weigh your suitcase so that you know it's under the 50-pound maximum required for flight.